What advice do you have for someone who is just getting started with his or her own startup?
Definitely start even earlier with customer contacts. Really bringing out, or at least trying to understand what the market really needs. That's critical, because a lot of people invest a lot of time and resources in developing, something that they personally like and they're personally involved. And this, in some incidences, might not be the same as the market is basically expecting. And I would just say, the earlier you get out there, the earlier you learn, the earlier you fail, and the earlier you can adapt, the quicker you are, and speed is critical. What I'm also always saying is there is no, recipe. You cannot say you have to follow ABC, that it works, or even the incorporation itself, or finding the team. There's not a protocol that you can just simply follow. So it has to be a personal drive, and you also have to be willing to, solve your own problems. And a simple problem might just be finding the first customer, finding, your co-founder. And if you're at this early stage and not really, willing to go out there, talk to people, either on the team side or on the customer side, then it becomes difficult. So I would say that that's really the key message that I also try to bring out there is you have to be involved. It has to be something that you want to push, and therefore, that's basically the key start, is really figure out where you are with your technology, figure out who is interested to join you to do this journey together, but who's also willing to actually at the end, put money on the table for your product or your service that you develop. And that's critical to make this first jump in the unknown, basically, early on.